Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you about how to set up a new school in MeChat Universe. So first, when you log in into MeChat Universe, you will land on this instructor dashboard page where you will see the button create an elective. So click on that button. For all that inputs, I have the data already and it is related to artificial intelligence. So let me put the data. Please bear with me. So you will put the title, subheading, description. You can add the code. So you can say it if it's related to artificial intelligence. I will call it AI 101 or AI 101 like that. And I have to select an image for elective. So I will go and select this one. Okay. And for the industry, I will select information technology. Yeah, you can search it and select the industry. You can set the demographics for ages. We'll call it like 12 to 50 plus. So the price is free. You just have to click on add school button. So when I click it, so now my elective is created. Now you have to add a new classroom in it. So first classroom is gifted from MeChat Universe. So let's start with this one. So classroom title. Okay, let me add the classroom title over here and some classroom description. This feature video is optional, but you can add it. To add the feature video, you have to select the video like that. So video is uploaded and I will click on add classroom. So first classroom is added, you can see, and in this classroom we have to add a lesson plan. So to create the first lesson plan, I have to click on this button, create first lesson plan, or I can click on this button to add new lesson, whatever you like. So this is lesson over here. So I have to put the lesson title, the lesson description, and a feature video for it. Okay, let's start with what is artificial intelligence and the lesson description. So this one is lesson description. Now I will add feature video. I can use YouTube video and put the URL over here, or I can upload video from my computer. So this option is premium, but right now, because it's a free gifted classroom, you can upload the picture. Oh, so sorry, the image. Okay, now I will click on add lesson button. So lesson is added. Now you can see your first lesson over here. When you click on, you can add more lessons into it, and this is your first lesson. If you click on it, you will see different kind of options like details, readings. So in the details, right now, because the owner is the instructor. You can edit the instructor from here. You can put instructor name, description, in the profile image, and if there is any social profiles, you can add them over here. And that's your lesson. You can add the quiz, you can add the assignments. So how I can publish this school or elective? So to save that thing, you have to click on save and publish. You will come to this page. You will see your elective will look like this. And if you click on next, you will see the options for unlimited seat, industry, course setting, whatever the course is, like in-person, virtual class, and region availability. And you can select any major, anything over here. And let's go for the pricing. It's free. You can set the status. So right now it's in the draft. You have to select publish to publish this one. And once you click on the publish, you will see this green button that says saves and publish elective. So you can click on it. Your elective is published. Congratulations. And it will be displayed below that, like that. And now you can manage the elective. Now you can also go to syllabus. If you want to edit that elective, you click on the manage elective. You can still add new classrooms in it, add new lessons in it. Over here, if you want to go to syllabus, so it will take you to that get course page where people will see your elective like that, and they can join you from here. Because you are the admin, so you can edit from here and you can go to class from here. Okay, that's it. Hope it helps. Bye.